Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to monitor credit activity with Trim. Keeping an eye on your credit activity is crucial, and Trim makes it simple. First, log into your Trim app. Once you're logged in with your credentials and you're on the home screen, on the dashboard, just tap the credits or credit monitoring section. If this is your first time accessing credit tools, you may need to verify your identity. Don't worry, it only takes a minute. Once you're in, you'll see a detailed overview of your recent credit activity. This includes new accounts opened as well as hard inquiries made by lenders, changes to your credit limits, and payment history updates. Dream tracks these changes and alerts you in real time. So if anything suspicious shows up, like an unexpected credit card or loan application, you're gonna know immediately. To customize alerts, tap the settings icon in the credit monitoring tab. From here, you can choose to get notified about specific events such as new inquiries or credit limit changes. This feature is especially helpful for preventing identity theft and for keeping your financial profile clean. Best of all, Trim provides this protection without affecting your credit score. Monitoring is completely soft and secure. And that's how easy it is to stay informed about your credit activity using Trim. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how Trim protects your credit information. So hit that like, subscribe, and let's keep your credit safe together. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.